Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today is going to be my Boxycharm unboxing. So if you guys want to see what I got in my Boxycharm for the month of March, then let's just jump right in. Alright, so starting off, when you open up the box, this is what it looks like. This is the little card. It says vacation on here. I love Boxycharm because every time you get it, you get a little card with all of the products on here and the prices, which is very helpful. So, ooh, I see a 25% off Butter London in here, so you get a little coupon. Alright, so, ooh, I'm really excited for this. This box looks really promising. So, the first thing that I see is this really pretty blush by Pretty Vulgar. It's actually a high-end product that they sell at Sephora, which is amazing that you get this in the box. This is in the color Make Them Blush, and it looks like a very pretty, like, dark mauve shade. So this is what it looks like. Ooh, it feels really creamy. Very, very pigmented. That's it right there. Very, very pretty. This is definitely more on like the warmer side than a cooler tone blush that I typically go for, but I'm definitely going to give this a try. This retails for $26, and so that is amazing. You're already getting your money's worth with just this first product. So this next product in here is, let's see. This is a mascara by Butter London. It is their double decker mascara. And I love getting mascaras because they make me so excited. I don't know, something about mascaras. So this is what the packaging looks like. So let's see what the wand looks like. Ooh, the wand looks promising. This wand reminds me of a mascara, and I cannot think of what mascara. I feel like it reminds me of the L'Oreal Lash Paradise mascara wand. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I feel like this looks a lot like it. So I'm really excited to try this. Like I said, I love getting mascaras. I feel like mascara is one of those things that you're never going to stop wearing because it's just a staple product. So I love getting new ones to try. So this retails for $20. And it says get 200% thicker lashes in just one coat and 314% increase in lash curl. The interlocking nylon fiber brush grasps each individual lash to lengthen, curl, and multiply lashes from root to tip. So I'll have to check this out and see how it works. Next up in the box we have this. This is 3 eye gel packs. And it's by South Maine, and it says reduces puffiness, reduces dark circles, and moisturizes eye area. I don't know how this could do all that with just 3 uses, but we'll see. So this is what the packaging looks like. I don't want to open it up because I don't want to ruin it, but they feel like cooling. I don't know if it's just because they were in the box, but they feel definitely cooling. And it says to thoroughly cleanse your eye area, apply this product under the eye, leave on for 30 minutes to reduce puffiness and dark circles, and it says to use for 3 consecutive days, so you have to use these 3 days in a row. I'm really excited to try these. I love pampering myself and like doing stuff like this, so really excited for these. These retail for $10. It says our under eye gels are great for an easy mask without the cleanup. They soften and moisturize to ensure that you look rested and refreshed, and I could definitely use that. My under eyes are so dry right now, so I'm really excited to use these. Alright, next in the box is this little box, and it is by the Vintage Cosmetic Company, and it says it's their Smoky Eye Brush Set. So this is what it looks like. I love getting brushes. Alright, so these are what the brushes look like. They're really cute. And they feel very, very soft. So you get this little kind of like, I don't know what you would call this. I feel like this is good for like smudging eyeshadow. And then you get like a little packer brush. And then this little angled brush, which I feel like would work really nicely for like the outer corner to create like a wing. So I'm really excited. These are like really nice brushes to have. I feel like this would create a really nice smoky eye because you have your little smudger, your little packer, and like little angled kind of shape to create like a nice cat eye effect. So these brushes retail for $23.15, and it says this brush set trio will enable you to create a stunning smoky eye. Use your shadow brush to sweep a light shimmery color over your lids, pack a darker color onto the angled shadow brush, and work into the crease of your eyelid and outer corners. And the smudger brush can be used to blend the two shades together. So yeah, these are really nice and I'm excited to try these. And then the last thing in the box I'm really excited for, this is, I already know what this is because I've seen it like all over the internet, but this is by Pure and Boxycharm. They teamed up to create this gorgeous palette, which I've seen again all over Instagram. And why is mine not opening? Oh, because it's closed shut. Oh my god, they closed both sides. Why? Alright, 10 years later, after trying to open this, they had it like shut on both sides. This is what the palette looks like. It is so pretty. So here are the shades. This looks like such a really pretty like summer palette with like this blue and this like magenta here. We got some really pretty shades going on. This blue is really, really pigmented. Those are a couple of the shades. This purple, I would say, isn't the most pigmented I've ever swatched. It's definitely more on the powdery side, and it does look a little bit lighter than in the pan. When you swatch it, it kind of has like a more like pinky shade to it rather than like this deep magenta. But these look really pretty. I'm excited to kind of play around with it. So this palette retails for $36, which is awesome that you're getting this in the box. That's amazing. I mean, you really can't beat it. You're paying $21 a month and you're getting 5 full-size products, 3 brushes. I mean, technically you're getting, in this box, you're getting more than 5 items because you're getting 3 brushes, a blush, a mascara, you got some under eye gels, and then a full-size palette. You can probably create so many different looks with this. Let me know if you guys want to see a tutorial using this palette, and I definitely will do that for you guys. So that was everything in my Boxycharm for this month. This one is really good. Give this video a thumbs up if you guys enjoy these videos, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!